Thank you. Well, welcome everybody to the Golden Tour. Thank you. Cheers everybody to health, happiness, and to love. Where are the pool sharks tonight? Anyone fancy game on? I warn you, I'm good for the first 15 minutes and then I kind of lose concentration. So if you want to place a bet on me, put it on early. Okay, but thank you very much for being here tonight, for supporting Golden. It's been an incredible year for me. As many of you will know, last year we spent writing the album and sorting through stuff. So here we are, and I'm so happy to be with you all tonight. Now, one of the songs from Golden had a lot of feedback. A lot of people saying, "Yeah, we know what you're talking about." So I'm wondering if I'll just stop talking. I'm going to sing the song. You tell me at the end of the song if you know what I'm talking about.